I could move Alaska all the way to Beirut. I could bulldoze a beeline from here to Beirut. I could push the Rocky Mountains into the sea. You know, heavy metal